The number of stores opened by a coffee company can be modeled by the exponential function graphed on the grid. Okay, so it tells us immediately that this is an exponential function. Okay, where x is the number of years since 1992. So 1992 is the starting year. Okay, that's the starting year. And so it says based on the graph, which statement does not appear to be true? Okay, so that's a key word. Definitely got to read does not. Please read the question carefully. Okay? So it says which one does not. The coffee company had 400 stores by the end of 1992. So the way they worded it, it says by the end, but we know that 1992 is our starting place. This is our starting place. So at the beginning of the graph here, we should be at 400, and we are. So that's true. So since that is true, we're going to mark that off. The coffee company opened 100 stores in 1 year. All right, so let's go to 1 year here, 1 year here, and we're going to go up and touch the graph. And that looks about right there in between 400 and 600. And since we're going by 200s, that looks like that would be 500. So that looks like that would be a true statement. It says H and J. Now it's between H and J. Every year, the number of stores the coffee company opened increased by 25%. Okay, so that's a percentage, and we know exponential functions increase based on a percentage. So that's a good thing. I don't know if it's 25%, but let's see. If it increased 100 in the first year, 100 is one fourth of 400. That equals 100. Okay, so that's good. They added 100 stores the first year. Let's look at the second year. Look like they're a little over 600. Just a little bit over 600. So if I take 500 and I take one fourth of that, that's going to be 125. So that means I would be adding 125 to 500, which would be 625. Yes, that looks like a true statement. Okay? And since 1992, the coffee company has opened 250 stores each year. That's wrong because that means it's linear. When it increases by a constant rate like that, that's a constant rate. That means it's linear. So that's the answer. J. That's the one that's not true.